much.
Now, go. Oh, get it.
Oh, that's a no there. That's how the tongue gets fat. Oh.
So that's Kai.
The interesting part now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Call that a success, what do you think?
Be by Kai and Covercious. Bam! Thank you. All right, so we're back, and we've been busy. So we've got quite a few things ready to go for the Jeep. Like I said, we were going to be getting a bunch of deliveries. We kind of decided on the direction we wanted to go for the build. And although I was debating on putting the 37s on, I think I'm going to stick with 35s for now. So no lift on 35s, and I kind of want to see what we can do as far as the trails go in Sand Hollow on what we can do on 35s. So see what the limitations are of a Jeep on 35s. But since I'm maybe a little bit crazier, I don't know what I am, but I have to do everything full blast. So so what we're doing is we've already got wheels, and we're gonna do the 35-inch tires. I haven't decided on tires yet, but we got the Icon Rebound Pros with the interlock on them. So we'll be installing those and doing a review on those and how they work. I've got a winch plate with the Apex Badlands winch from Harbor Freight, so we're going to try that out and do a review on that, see how that works. One of the least expensive winches you can get, but I've seen a lot of good reviews and not very many bad, so we're going to try that out. We also picked up Matt's Recovery kinetic rope from Yankum Ropes. We thought we'd support local. Matt has a channel here that is very popular. We also got some recovery gear from Factor 55, some tire deflators, and then we got a full Metal Cloak skid plate system, the armor plate system for the bottom. So we're really going to give it a shot there in Sand Hollow. We're really going to try these trails out and see what we can do. We're protected from damage. Something that's not here yet is the rock sliders. Still haven't officially nailed down the rock slider yet that I want to go with. So they're not here yet, but that's everything. So we're gonna start putting it together, get it set up and all that, and then start hitting the trails out in Sand Hollow. And then also later on we're headed to Moab to do some trails there too. So that's kind of the plan going forward. I'd like to say thanks to everybody that's subscribed so far to follow along. Thanks for the support. bumper bolts go through.